Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the world time feature on your Casio G-SHOCK Land Mudmaster Module 5562 watch. So this setting is really very easy. From your main time mode screen, all you're going to do is you're going to press the mode button, which is the bottom left button if the watch is facing you, and that will take you into world time. I don't know if you saw it, but it showed WT for world time, and then it'll show you the city that you're viewing for world time as well as the current time in that city. If you want to toggle to a different city, the only button you can really use is the down button on the right hand side. And as you press it, it'll cycle through all of the different cities that you can view the time for. Once you've got the city you want, you can leave it there. If we get out of world time and we go back to it, it will remember the last city that we were on. The only other setting you can really control in here is you can see that I'm on Moscow right now. Here's my time, but it's not daylight savings in Moscow. If I did want to switch it to daylight savings for the given world time that I'm looking at, while I'm in the world time mode, all I'm going to do is press and hold the upper left-hand button, which is our adjust button, and you're going to see that the daylight savings indicator will toggle on or off. So now I've got world time set for daylight savings in Moscow. If I want to turn that off, again, I can press and hold it, and I've successfully adjusted the world time. Pretty simple. The only other thing you can do is if for some reason you're traveling, maybe I'm going over to Moscow, but I'm not just going to be there for a day or two. I'm actually going to be there for a long time, and I want to switch and make Moscow my home city and make my previous city be the world time. I can do that by pressing and holding the adjust button and the up button at the same time while I'm in world time mode. And you can see what it's doing is it's setting my main time mode now for Moscow, and it's setting my world time for Chicago. So this would be beneficial for somebody who maybe lives overseas for a while and then they come back to the States, something like that. I'm going to let it set here for a second and then we'll take a look at how the settings have changed. Okay, so now I'm going to press the mode button. And you can see I'm in Moscow time for my main time. If I go to world time, my world time is set to Chicago. I hope that makes sense. Pretty simple. If you got any questions, post them in the comments. Be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.